Whoop, up, up, up.
Holy fucking shit, Jesus!
Hey guys, Ryan Kruersi Originals. Today we're gonna have a short one. This is a quick one. We've got a brand new Kruersi Originals edition Saddlemen Step Up Tuck and Roll Tri Gripper. This is how we run our seats. This is our custom setup. The tuck and roll gives you a lot more padding over any of the other ones, because if you're diamond stitch or anything else, that's it. All these pleats right here have extra padding in them, so it's nice and soft. This is also their tri-gripper material. This is a lot more grippy and sticky than their standard gripper that they offered everyone else. In the tuck and roll with the pleats and the gripper, this thing locks you in harder than anything you could ever imagine. It also comes with our logo in the back. We can do any color combination, stitch pattern, anything under the sun. This one is green to match our green O2 fxdx that we are building as a project. There's a series. There'll be a link at the end so you guys can watch the rest of the series. It's all of our parts installed on an early model Dyna that we're building into a really nice bike that we're going to sell as soon as it's done. So if you're looking for a nice bike to buy, we got an O2 fxdx that's pretty flossy. First thing, when you buy one of these seats, it comes like this. You got a little seat bracket on the bottom. You got to take that guy out. It's a 5/32 Allen. You pull that guy out of there. Cut this zip tie off here. Lost my knife. I'm on a backup right now. It sucks. That's your little donut for putting her back together. Set screws stay in there. These are brass inserts into a plastic body. You shouldn't really Loctite this stuff, because if you try and take it out, it's not going to come out very good. But why would you ever want to take this out again? I wouldn't, and I don't want it coming loose, so I'm going to Loctite these guys. They're countersunk into the brackets. They're going to center themselves, but don't just go cranking one of them down. Bring them down together evenly. That way she's going to line up and track nice and beautifully. Like I said, these are brass inserts into a plastic body, so you don't want to fucking crank these things. See how I got my hand on the ratchet? I'm not out here doing this shit. I'm right here. Good and snug. You'll feel them bottom out and compress all the leather and all that stuff. You want to get through that until you feel it like seated bottom. Bring your donut over to the motorcycle. This is our O2 fxdx. She is for sale. Oh, you want to take this off too. Comes with stickers. I'm gonna flaunt some Saddlemen everywhere. So this is a real tight fit, like it should be. This guy goes into here, this bracket into here. I start it like this. Give her a little push. Oh yeah, seated up in there real nice. I've got some fancy shit for back here. I'm gonna take this guy right here and do this with it. That goes there. Donut goes right over this guy. And I've also got a Saddlemen seat bracket. These come in all kinds of colors: gold, chrome, black. Pretty dope. It's a security key also. It's a safety Torx with a thing in the middle so they can't come out. And it comes with this to go in your keychain to lock this guy down if you need to. I would only use this in emergency because I crank these things down with a wrench. I've had some seats come off on me before. I'm also going to do something right now that you should not technically ever do on a seat. But like I said, I ride wheelies and drift motorcycles, and I've had my seat pop off on the freeway in a second gear wheelie one time before, and it's fucking terrifying. So just a little bit of blue Loctite just to keep the rattle down. Whoops. Got the most important piece. Fancy cover. You want to pay attention too. Make sure this thing stays over center, so it doesn't get hung up on the edge of the seat bracket. You know, you want to squish that rubber donut really well. If you don't squish that donut really well, it can make cross vibration and your seat can loosen and back off. Don't want that shit. is the best seat in the game. I don't care what anybody says. This is the real deal. Whether you're just riding, shredding, stunt riding, road racing, going on a nice long cruise, whatever it may be, this is the seat. Gripper everywhere makes your ride less work for you. When your ass is sliding around in the seat and you're trying to, you should work the bike with your hips, not your hands, and it just holds you into place. It also is going to set you up and forward a little bit more into the riding position. Which I don't have pegs on this thing, but we can pretend. Look at this, pretend pegs. This is a nice bike. I'm having a hard time trying to talk myself into not keeping this thing. This is a fucking nice bike. This thing feels so good. Man, well, that's about it for this video. Like I said, it was a short one. But if you're interested in this bike, message us on YouTube or hit us up on Instagram. We'll get back to you a lot faster on the Instagram. Like, subscribe, ring that bell. Check out all the other videos. I think they're in our how-to playlist. It's all our parts on this thing. KRUESI Originals air cleaner cover, KRUESI Originals points cover, engine guards, sliders, top mount, handlebars, shock sliders in the back, license plate, lay down license plate bracket. That thing's loose because I don't have a license plate. Derby slider cover. I mean, it's got it all. Brand new socks and drawers, and I'm balling every time I stop and talk to y'all. Peace!
Look, I-35 with the top down, quick to tell a hater they should get like me. Seem like everybody wanna be the boss, but it costs and these lames ain't shit like